Okay, two can play that game. Okay, two can play that game. Have you ever heard that idiom? Two can play that game. What does it mean? It means that you're going to take revenge on someone, on you, right? So let's say you hurt me. You do something that hurts me or harms me in some way. Then I am going to do the same thing to hurt you. Two can play that game. So this could be in a really serious way we can use this. For example, if your partner cheats on you, you can say, okay, two can play that game. And then you go and you cheat on your partner, right? They're cheating on you, you cheat on them. Tit for tat, right? So it could be something really serious, like in a serious situation like that. Or it could be something in a more not so serious way. Like let's say we're eating at McDonald's. You steal some of my French fries. I go steal some of your French fries, right? Tit for tat. Tit for tat means it's equal. You do something bad to me. I do something of equal value bad to you. Now, if you're not eating French fries, if you didn't order French fries and you steal some of my French fries, then maybe, I don't know, I steal some of your salad, or I steal some of your chicken McNuggets, something, right? Something kind of equal. Look at this nice tree, guys. Oh, there's a bike there. Gotta hide from the bike. So let's say you steal some of my French fries and I punch you in the face. Is that tit for tat? No. That is an escalation of the conflict, right? An escalation. You didn't keep it I didn't keep it even. I punched you in the face, so that increased the level of the conflict, right? That's what the word escalation means, right? Hey guys, look at that nice boat there. Isn't that awesome? People are just hanging out on the canal. That looks really looks relaxing. Their boat says Seahawk. That's the brand of the boat. Seahawk, but it's not a sea. It's a canal. It should be Canal Hawk. Anyway, so that's what tit for tat means. You keep it even. And that's also what two can play that game means. It means you're keeping it pretty even. Now, I don't know if you saw in the news that there are Russian and Chinese warships up by Alaska, around the Aleutian Islands. You know, if you look on a map of Alaska, there's like that tail, kind of comes down a whole bunch of islands. Those islands are called the Aleutian Islands. There are, I think it was 11 warships, Chinese and Russian warships together up by Alaska. The US doesn't like it. They're not happy about it. But think about it from the Chinese perspective. US has been sailing warships through the Taiwan Strait, you know, all the time, right? The Taiwan Strait is the body of water between Taiwan and mainland China, right? The US has been sailing ships through there. The Chinese don't like it. So what are they gonna do? They're gonna put their ships near the US somewhere, right? Tit for tat. Now, countries have to be very careful that they don't escalate the conflict, when countries engage in this thing called escalation management. Okay, you need to manage the escalation, because if you do something a little bit too much, things could get out of hand, right? To get out of hand means to go crazy. Everything's unpredictable now. What's going to happen, right? So it's called escalation management. And but China could say, okay, if you're sailing warships near our country, two can play that game, right? They could say that two can play that game. It's always bad. It's always refers to something bad. It's not good. It's not like you smash like on my video and I go smash like on your video. It's not like that, because that's good, right? If you smash like on my video, that you're helping me, that's a good thing. Now I can't say, okay, two can play that game, and then I go and smash like on your video. We don't use that idiom for good things, only for bad things, okay? And it's usually said in kind of a defiant tone, right? Your voice has different tones. Right now I'm speaking, I have a happy tone. But if I say, okay, two can play that game, that is a defiant tone. It's like stubborn, right? I'm not happy about it. I'm going to defy you in some way. So my tone is defiant. I'm not going to accept the situation, right? So that's usually the tone people say this in. Two can play that game. Okay, two can play that game. You do something bad to me, I do something bad to you. The same thing, right? So the game that the US is playing is sailing warships around China. That's the game. China can say, okay, you two can play that game. You want to do that? Fine. We're going to sail warships through your waters, right? So it has to be the same thing, or at least a similar thing, right? If China were to, I don't know, do something else that the US doesn't like, like, let's say China says, okay, we're not going to send you any more products. We're not going to ship you any more food or whatever. That's not the same game. That's a different game. So then China wouldn't say, okay, two can play that game. The game has to be the same, right? So if the US stops exporting stuff to China, China could say, okay, two can play that game. We're not going to export things to you, right? There was a time, a long time ago, where India and Pakistan were doing these nuclear tests. Do you remember that? One country would do a nuclear test, and then the other country would do a nuclear test. Tit for tat, right? It was I don't know why countries do this. They don't want to look weak. Countries don't want to accept, like, defeat, even though there's no war. It's like a fake war, almost like a cold war that is going on, right? And so one country does something, the other country does something. Tit for tat, right? So anyway, so those are two idioms that you can use about revenge, okay? Two expressions, right? Tit for tat, or two can play that game. So give me an example down in the comments of a time in your life where you said that, or where you could have, maybe in your language it's a bit different. Maybe you don't have that exact idiom, Maybe you do. Let me know if you do. So let me know a time in your life where you were in that situation where you could say tit for tat, or two can play that game. All right, guys. Well, welcome here to Alberta, Canada. Isn't this peaceful? Beautiful out here, guys. Anyway, just wanted to make a quick video to explain that. Hope you guys are doing really well today, wherever you are. And as always, I love you so much. Hope you're staying healthy and happy. And as always, I'll bid you farewell from here. I'll enjoy some sun, and I'll see you guys over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.